Good evening, everyone, guys. So today I'm gonna show this the how to wire an electrical outlet. So today I'll to show this outlet, the standard 50 amp outlet. So there is the 20 amp this outlet here. Uh, there is the standard outlet. Rotity is the wire, and let's see two these wires here. And today, well, let's say take it use this strippers. Then let's start this up. This 40 gauge, this 6 gauge wire. Then this the bigger out. Then take it this vent this out. Vent it. Let's check it this vent this up. Vent out. There. And let's see. Cut this. Then we'll use this strippers. This pull this. Okay. So then let's take this wire, the size gauge wire here. And let's pull this up. 0.6 wire. That's this the vented amount. Okay, so this is this wires, just 6 gauge and the vented amount like that. A little take is this the vent amount to stripper. Let's vent this, and the two wires to electrical trace amount. Then squeeze tight, push it tight. Okay, and two wires this ground, and two wires this ground to electrical sockets. Carefully, two wires, and take it to this use my impact driver, and we take it these two wires to electrical outlet, best 80s outlet. To tight this screw, take the other one. Okay, so pull these wires too strong for that, and then step this up. Cut the 9-inch wires just too strong for that. There you go. Okay, let's strip the other one new, and let's strip these wires. Then pull this 6 gauge they have. There you go. And take it vented up and vent this amount. There you go. This is a standard outlet 20 amp and 15 amp outlet for USA. So now then we use this outlet. They take to an electrical to sharp wires back. Bend the wires this through. There you go. Then hand tighten the screws and tighten this. Then nice and tight. There you go. So today I just show you this just too long for that. Take the lobe this. Cut this off. That's nice and tight. And basically is the outlet here. It's nice. Right there is the best 80s of outlet. And what this is, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.